Okay, let's do a quick rundown of the vision board. Everybody should have gotten their kit, and let me just straighten mine out. It should be ARC-7 Lifestyle Transformation System. I'm addressing root causes with 7 healthy habits. Then you've got your I am, your I do, and I see. Right here is where you're gonna put all of the affirmations that address your RAS. So we're gonna be coming against those self-limiting beliefs that tell you you don't have time, you don't have energy, you're not able. This tells you the opposite. And when you filled out your reticular activating system sheet, you might have something that's not addressed on this, and that you could do after, maybe down here. But I've got pictures here that motivate me, that help show that I am healthy, fit, and mentally sharp. So I've got pictures that show that. I want you guys to find pictures that show that motivate you, that inspire you, that are believable to you. This I do declaration is the one that says what you're doing. Obviously, I run, I train, I focus, I see my future accomplished. You're gonna start going and transitioning into the I see right here. And the I see is the funnest part, because the I see is going to have pictures that show you what is that intrinsic motivation that's driving you to want health in the first place. Remember, if you don't have something that's motivating you that's strong enough, you are just not going to want to change. So that's why you have to dream. You absolutely have to dream. If you don't dream about what's possible and what you want in your life, you're not going to do anything that's difficult. You just won't. We always want to do what's easiest, and we naturally want to choose the path of least resistance. But when you're seeing your future that you want and desire, nothing is going to seem too hard for you. Your brain is going to be telling you continually, this is the kind of person you want to be, and these are the things you have to do to get to these dreams, and you got to keep them before you all the time. What you focus on, you do. What you behold, you become. And so go for it and choose things that make you salivate. I've got this older lady here who climbed a mountain. She's probably close to 90 years old. I want to be that woman when I'm 90. And this is something that I'll just look and go, yep, that is what I am doing. And that's why I'm living this type of life. This woman's leaping through the air. I want to be leaping through the air. I still can leap through the air. I'm half a century, but when I'm a century, I want to look and be like this woman. Then I've got this microphone because I want to speak and motivate and inspire also into this old age. And then I've got this older couple here who's still playing volleyball and beach ball on the beach, having fun, taking balls from each other. Look at this lady right here, the granny with her legs out. This is riding a bike. Just find things that motivate and inspire you, and this is going to be one of your most motivating tools of this whole entire program. So enjoy.